Welcome friends. Today I'm going to share insurance, what is basically insurance and what is the car insurance. So both of the topic I'm going to be discussed. So we have to be the car bike insurance. So both of insurance are really very important, and if you want to be do your vehicle insurance, which sort of vehicle do you need and what is kind of it is. So please stay tuned, stay subscribe my channel first. Subscribe first, like, share, and please must don't forget to the comment it, because your comment is really very important. So if you want to be increase the bike insurance, vehicle insurance basically increase and decrease your market risk, because whenever you are increasing your market risk, for example, you have to face a damage, you have to face your loss in case of any accident. Like you have a vehicle, bike and car and bicycle insurance, then if you face any loss, damage, accident, and such type of incident like stole, theft, and you lost your vehicle in some marketplace and you have an evidence, and then you have to be faced the different thing. So vehicle insurance in the United States, especially car insurance and auto insurance, both are having the same name. Like if you want to be adding your auto insurance and your car insurance, so both policies are regulate the same thing. Basically if you want to be the work rules and regulations and the terms and policy, both term and policy and the work are both are the same. So if you want to be the adding some typing and the adding something, you have to be the need to be the focus on this criteria, you need to be the focus on this point of view, because your car insurance and the point of the understanding, this is a really very important. So there is a many different parts, there is a many different types of your property and educational insurance and the many other coverage of the insurance. So whenever you are going to be the vehicle of the risk, it is really sensitive point, it will decrease your sensitivity, and the death ratio and designed to cover your loss of risk. So basically if you want to be the working on this criteria, you have to be the working on the motor vehicle owner typically pays to insurance monthly or yearly high fees. For example, if we are talking about how much fees and the things you need to be, it is a monthly basis or yearly basis. Both criteria is covering over here. So you have to be start from $1,000 per year to $10,000. So if you are talking about some requirements, so then you have to be adding some CNIC. If you don't have your CNIC of such country, like if you are a foreigner, you are a visiting over here, then you need to check your passport. And in case of you are underage and you don't have a passport, you don't have a CNIC, like you are a childish and you are not 18, then your passport and CNIC both are not being a coverage, then you have to be adding your pass card or ID card. Basically pass card and ID card for your school identification card, and for your like, and if you have any some house rental, and your pass card they have to be given. For example, you are working in some job places, they will issue your some specifically card over here. So these are the requirements. If you have a CNIC, this is the best, is it mean that you are a national over here. So the coverage of this, it will be the starting from the different from the age of, it is a really good if you are for as a guidance, like if you have your parents and if your some other person are working on this criteria and the working to the point of it, so it will definitely helps you a lot to be the working to the driving. The last number of the coverage, they are also required to have to the register. What type of registration do you need? Like from which registration you have to be start and from where you have to be registered from this. So you need to be the number of your vehicle, the number of your vehicle must be the, you have the number plate which is called, the number plate, and it is also need to be the 1,000 people to carry the mandatory the security and the liability of the things. It will be definitely gives you to the gender and the age of the coverage, and the driving license is also be needed. Like such type of driving license, because they will take your driving test and after that they will issue your driving license. In different countries, driving license, it plays a really very important role, because without driving license you cannot be working and you cannot be move on. If you want to be working and you want to be the move on, driving license is mandatory, and for the driving license you have to pass the driving test and you have to pass out some questions which is related to determine some features. Or accept that I am also give you some important features, which is the insurance premium. Insurance premium, what is the related of it, then let's explain it in this video. Like such type of mandatory and the registration of the consumer of which is the insurance premium. What is the insurance premium, and what is the monthly and the yearly, and from which company is the best? Such type of question is really regulating in your mind, and which type of injury and the things you need to be like. Peak time, regulation of the time, insurance, and the what is the main cost of it, and such type of question definitely regulate in your mind. So these are plays a very important role. If you want to understand such type of premium and such type of liability, then you have to be working and traveling and to other places, and you have to be things. Watch my all videos till the end, because this will be definitely giving me an innovative and the spectacular ideas to be working for in a such time way. So thanks for watching and understanding the point of view. It will be definitely gives you a very positive energy. Till then, Allah Hafiz. See you soon in my next video. My next video, it will be also educational and informative.